let me show you how to get reciprocal of numbers. This is numbers, so we want to get the reciprocal of these numbers. It is very easy, just pay attention to this. Now 0.04, already if you want to convert this to fraction, this now becomes 4 over what? Over 100, because we have 2 zeros. So you convert this to fraction, you're going to have 4 over 100. Alright, so the reciprocal of these numbers means that you should invert this fraction. That's the word reciprocal, invert the fraction. So before you can get the reciprocal of a decimal, you need to convert it to fraction so that you can what? Invert the fraction. So this now becomes, the reciprocal of this fraction now becomes 100 divided by 4. So 100 divided by 4 is what? Is 25. So the reciprocal of 0.04 is 25. Now let's get back to 0.4. 0.4 is the same thing as 4 over 10, because we have 1 0, right? Now the reciprocal means that you should invert this fraction, and this becomes 10 divided by 4. Okay, now if you cancel out this, if you divide this by this, okay, this now becomes 5 over 2. If you divide 5 divided by 2 is 2.5, that is what? 2.5. Okay, now let's get the reciprocal of 4. 4 is the same thing as 4 over 1, because 4 divided by 1 is what? Is 4. Now the reciprocal means that you should reciprocate, you should invert this fraction, which is equal to 1 over 4. So if you divide 1 over 4 into decimal, this now becomes 0.25. So the reciprocal of 4 is 0.25. Alright, that is for 4, right? Now let's get the reciprocal of 40. 40 is the same thing as 40 divided by 1, because 40 divided by 1 is what? Is 40. Now the reciprocal simple means that you should invert this fraction. So you are going to invert this as what? This now becomes 1 over 40. So it follows this order. So if you divide this by this now becomes 0.025.